video, I'm going to share some skincare tips shared by the Bollywood actress Ananya Panday. The first thing that she says is that she drinks a lot of water. Yes, it does help our skin. Having said that, even if you do drink enough water, your skin can become dehydrated, and this dehydrated skin can only be fixed by using the right skincare, not just by drinking enough water. The second thing that she says is she always uses a sunscreen because that's what her mom advised her to do. A really wise advice from her mother. In another video, she shows how she actually plunges her face into ice cold water. She takes a bowl, fills it up with cold water, lots of ice cubes in there, and dunks her face into it. Now we see a lot of celebrities doing this. This is also called the ice facial or cold therapy. It basically helps our skin in many different ways. It reduces the puffiness on our face, it calms the skin, reduces the irritation on our face. Now, the cold water is going to contract the skin, so that way it's tightening the pores as well. And finally, it also reduces the excess oil on our skin. Now, all these benefits are temporary. They're not going to permanently fix your skin this way. So for good fixing of the skin, you need skincare, good skincare. Having said that, this ice therapy does induce some temporary good effects on our skin. If your skin is very irritated, or you've got rosacea, or you've got very dehydrated skin, or you've got eczema prone skin, don't use this method. And in another video, she shares how she starts her morning with hot water by drinking hot water. This is really helpful, hot water or warm water. It helps with the bowel movement, supports hydration, and it also clears up the nasal congestion. Anything that helps our skin in the insides usually gets reflected as a glow on the skin outside as well. And the next thing that she does after drinking this water is actually wash her face. Now again, a good tip. One thing I do want to mention that here is no need to wash your face too many times in a day. Now I've got dry face, so I actually never wash my face with a cleanser in the morning. I save the cleanser for the night time when I've got to get rid of the sunscreen and also the makeup on the days that I've put makeup on. So for dry skin, usually once a day with a cleanser is good enough. In the morning though, I do splash my face with cold water and then go on to put some skincare products on the face. Now if you've got oily skin, you might want to wash your face twice with a cleanser. So it depends on how your skin feels. So you be the judge. I just do want to mention that don't assume cleansing your face multiple times with a cleanser is going to add some extra benefits to the skin. Now it all depends on the type of skin that you have. Then she goes on to add moisturizer and sunscreen. Really good tips. Always use a sunscreen which is close to SPF 50 as possible. So again, really good tips. And another tip that she shares is she sprays rose water on her face. Now this, she says, is very hydrating. On top of the sunscreen, she's spraying the rose water. I don't mind it, but if you do use this tip, make sure you find rose water which doesn't have any fragrance in it or any essential oils in it. Very difficult to find rose water like that, and that's why I'm mentioning that. So the fragrance can be added fragrance and all that can be a bit irritating. So I know a lot of people use rose water, but I'm not a big fan of hydrating your face using rose water. And another thing is you're spraying that on top of your sunscreen. This rose water is not going to magically penetrate all that layers of sunscreen, the moisturizer, reach your skin's top layer and hydrate the skin. So there's not much hydration happening. It's just you feeling a bit refreshed because you've sprayed that rose water. And maybe that smell makes you feel good. I'm not a big fan of this rose water thing. And finally, she uses a DIY mask on her face. It has turmeric, it's got yogurt, it's got honey, all good ingredients, all beneficial for the skin. Having said that, I am always a bit hesitant of any mask which has got turmeric in it. Don't leave it on your face for too long because that will add color to your face. So yeah, otherwise good ingredients. That's about it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.